My name is Maribel Mendizábal. I have a very close relationship with my mom. She actually lives with me. And so when my dad passed away, there was no way I was going to let her go anywhere else. And so yeah, we have a great relationship. So I came to the Gonzalez Law Group because I was needing to kind of get someone to help me navigate, I guess, my mom's estate planning, just seeing what to do. Also something that I will eventually need to do in the future, but it was just more needed for her. My dad recently passed away, and when you're going through it at that point, you see the need of how, wow, we just needed to have everything put in place. Thankfully, my dad did have most of it put in place, but I wanted to do that for my mom because I felt like afterwards she was just kind of worried about, like, you know, what's going to happen, when I pass away, what's going to happen, and so I just wanted her to have peace of mind, and I felt like this was peace of mind for the entire family. Honestly, the way that I found out about the Gonzalez Law Group was just, I Googled. I was just like, help me find the best law firm to help me with estate planning, and so that's honestly how I found it. I just looked and kind of browsed through a few of them, and this one was probably the one that had the most details on their website. And I felt like that was really important, so I didn't have to call each one and get information. The Gonzalez Law Group had, a great website that I was able to just navigate through easily, and found exactly what I needed before I called them to get them to help me. When I first called Gonzalez Law Group, I spoke to someone who got me in contact with an attorney named Sara. Sara was amazing. She put my mind at ease. She definitely was able to answer the questions that I had at that point. I didn't even know all the questions I had yet, because when you're first starting to do it, then all these other questions come up, and I spoke to her paralegal, Valeria, and I also spoke with Anthony, and all of them were very knowledgeable and helpful, because I felt like every time I had a question, it wasn't like, I'm not really sure. It was just like, yeah, I'll get that right now for you. And so Sara, I felt, sometimes you think attorneys don't have time for you, or they pass you off to a paralegal, they pass you off to somebody who's just gonna help you. I didn't feel that way with her. She took the time, she answered all the questions I had, and I really felt like that was a very important part of me actually signing the contract and saying, I'm gonna do it with this law firm, because she really spent the time. I felt like she spent quality time every time that I spoke with her. And for me, customer service and just someone reaching out to the client and making them feel like no question is a dumb question, or, she answered all of my questions. And I really think that made a big difference. I definitely would recommend the Gonzalez Law Group. Like I said, I felt like they handled everything professionally. I felt like they were very knowledgeable in what I was working in, what I needed. And so honestly, I definitely recommend. I probably will use them again for my estate planning and for things that I would need, but I definitely would recommend to someone else. I felt like they did an excellent job.